Hey everyone, the steps I'm about to show you come straight from the technicians who work in this well-known appliance repair shop. So don't worry, we're going to guide you through fixing it. When a customer comes in with this code, they almost always say, "The washer stays paused and won't continue." That's when we explain that the PS error is usually related to the pause system or the lid detection, meaning the machine thinks it's not safe to continue the cycle. Now, something we see quite often is customers saying, "The lid is closed properly, but it still won't start." In simple terms, the washer isn't correctly recognizing that the lid is closed, even though it actually is. That's why the first thing we check in the shop is the lid lock, because many times it's worn out, dirty, or misaligned. One customer told us, "I had to slam it shut for it to start," which already tells us the switch isn't working the way it should. Then, if the lock seems fine, we move on to check the wiring and connections, since a loose connector can prevent the signal from reaching the board properly. As one of our technicians says, if the control board doesn't detect the lid close signal, the washer stays paused and throws a PS error. On top of that, we also take a look at the control panel because in some cases, the pause button or system can get stuck. Some technicians in the shop have told us, "I pressed the buttons a few times and it started working again," which points more toward an electronic issue rather than a mechanical one. On the other hand, in less common cases, we check the control board, especially if the washer is older or has experienced voltage issues. As we always say in the shop, before thinking about replacing expensive parts, check the basics, because that's usually where the problem is.